How to optimize Celery task queues with RabbitMQ. In this video, you'll learn the essential skills to enhance task automation and performance in distributed systems using Celery and RabbitMQ.
Welcome to our video on optimizing Celery task queues with RabbitMQ. Did you know that inefficient task management can slow down distributed systems, affecting performance drastically? In today's video, we will delve into how you can enhance the efficiency of your task queues using Celery and RabbitMQ. These tools are vital in distributed systems, ensuring tasks are managed seamlessly and effectively. We'll guide you through the integration process, highlight best practices, and equip you with the knowledge to troubleshoot common issues. Engage with us by commenting below on your experiences with Celery and RabbitMQ.
Celery is a powerful, distributed task queue system that allows you to run tasks asynchronously in the background. RabbitMQ, on the other hand, is a message broker that facilitates the sending and receiving of messages between distributed systems. When combined, Celery and RabbitMQ provide a robust solution for managing task queues efficiently. Integration means Celery workers can pull tasks from RabbitMQ queues, process them, and update their status. This synergy enhances the scalability and responsiveness of your applications. Imagine a web application handling thousands of requests per second. Celery and RabbitMQ ensure that asynchronous tasks don't bottleneck your system.
Optimizing task queues is crucial for maintaining high performance in distributed systems. Poor task management leads to bottlenecks, slowing down processes and negatively impacting user experience. Inefficiencies can result in increased costs due to unnecessary resource utilization. By optimizing task queues, you ensure tasks are processed quickly and effectively, leading to smoother performance and happier users. For instance, a popular e-commerce platform integrated Celery and RabbitMQ to handle its order processing queues, resulting in a 30% reduction in processing time and significantly enhanced customer satisfaction. To get the most out of RabbitMQ, it's vital to configure it correctly. Start by ensuring your RabbitMQ server is appropriately sized to handle your expected load. Use efficient queue management strategies, such as splitting large queues into smaller ones to prevent bottlenecks. Regularly monitor and tune performance settings like message prefetch count and memory limits. Security is also crucial. Implement SSL/TLS for encrypted connections and use robust authentication mechanisms. By following these best practices, you ensure RabbitMQ runs smoothly, even under heavy load, providing reliable message brokering for your Celery tasks. Celery workers are the backbone of your task queue system, responsible for executing tasks. Configuring them effectively is key to optimal performance. Start by setting the right concurrency level based on your system's capabilities. This determines how many tasks a worker can process concurrently. Monitor your workers regularly to ensure they are not overloaded. If your workload increases, scale up by adding more workers or utilizing auto-scaling features. Proper worker management ensures tasks are processed efficiently, minimizing latency and improving the responsiveness of your applications. Task prioritization in Celery is a powerful way to ensure critical tasks are handled promptly. By setting priority levels, you can dictate the order in which tasks are processed. High-priority tasks can be placed in separate queues to ensure they are not delayed by less critical tasks. This strategic use of multiple queues can significantly enhance performance, especially in high-demand environments. For example, in a financial application, payment processing tasks may be prioritized over data logging to ensure transactions are completed swiftly and efficiently. Flower is an essential tool for monitoring Celery task queues. It provides a real-time web-based dashboard that offers insights into the health of your task queues. With Flower, you can track task activity, identify slow tasks, and recognize patterns that may indicate bottlenecks. Configuring alerts within Flower helps you respond swiftly to issues, ensuring your task queues remain efficient and responsive. By leveraging the insights provided by Flower, you can maintain optimal performance of your Celery queues and anticipate potential issues before they escalate.
Even with the best setup, issues can arise in Celery and RabbitMQ. Common problems include message delays, lost tasks, and worker crashes. Effective troubleshooting begins with understanding logs and error messages. Utilize debugging tools to pinpoint issues and implement error handling best practices to prevent task loss. Approach troubleshooting systematically, starting from the most common issues and working towards more complex ones. Online communities and documentation are invaluable resources when resolving persistent problems. By mastering these troubleshooting skills, you can ensure your task queues run smoothly and efficiently. Scalability is crucial for accommodating growth in your applications. In Celery and RabbitMQ, scalability can be achieved through horizontal scaling, adding more workers or nodes, or vertical scaling, enhancing existing hardware capabilities. Efficient resource utilization ensures that you are not over or under provisioning, which can lead to cost inefficiencies or performance issues. Implementing load balancing strategies can distribute tasks evenly across your workers, preventing overloads. In the context of a global application, employing these scalability practices ensures seamless performance across different regions and user bases. In conclusion, mastering the use of Celery and RabbitMQ is essential for optimizing task queues and enhancing performance in distributed systems. By applying the strategies discussed, you can ensure efficient task management, leading to improved system performance and user satisfaction. We encourage you to implement these best practices in your projects. Don't forget to leave a comment about your experiences and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content, and share this video with others who might benefit.